Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be explaining my fraction rummy activity that I have posted on my digital portfolio. So I do have instructions on there of how this activity works, but I thought I would explain it a little bit further in this video. So for this fraction rummy activity, students are going to be seeing which fractions are equivalent to each other, which ones are less than or greater than, and how to compare those. So for this activity, I would provide them with the note cards, which have all the fraction numbers already on them, as well as the physical manipulatives. Now, I would have them use the physical manipulatives doing this activity in class. I think would help them understand a lot better having them actually in their hands. And this activity is really going to help them visualize which fractions are equivalent to each other, which is why it's going to be helpful. So I'm going to just be explaining this using this virtual manipulative, and I actually really like this one because I think it works really well, and you can even expand the numbers to a lot greater than you could with the actual physical manipulatives, which is why I really like this one. So I wouldn't recommend using this for the activity in class because I don't think it will help them understand the lesson as well as having it actually in their hands, but I do think it is a great alternative, and of course not all students have access to technology to use this. So if you're showing in class, I think that would be great, or else I think that they should use the actual manipulatives. So going on to my fraction rummy activity, they're going to be comparing using two note cards. They can do this with a partner, which fractions are equal to each other. So for example, if they get a note card that says 1/2, they're going to see it with the manipulative. And if they get another note card that says 1/4, they're going to be able to see that this is not equal to each other because they are not lined up. However, if they get a note card that says 2/4, now these are equal to each other. And same thing with all the note cards. I have many different note cards, probably around like 20 of them or more, and they're just going to be able to mix and match which ones are equal to each other. So if they were to match these, they would get a point. The goal is to get 3 points within the game. So next they can go to 1/6, that is not equal. 2/6, that is not equal. But 3/6, that is equal. So of course they can add it, and it says the total on the side. Same thing. They're going to be able to see that 4/8 is equal to 1/6, which is equal to 1/4, which is equal to 1/2. Same thing. 5/10 is equal to 4/8, which is equal to 3/6, which is equal to 2/4, which is equal to 1/2. So that's the activity that I have come up with for them. I think it'll be very beneficial because they can see that, these are all different numbers, but they are all equal to the same thing. Thank you.